Hello and welcome to Tim's BMW repairs and information. I do like the way that modern BMWs have indicators that start towards the centre and flash towards the outside. But this isn't a modern BMW, it's a 2007 pre-LCI E64. So how's this done? Because I mean we just have the old-fashioned tungsten bulbs in there, the ones which are painted orange. Does it involve removing the eyebrow lights? Nah. Does it involve electronics? No. Does it involve coding? No. I'm going to show you the secret of how this is done, and I found it by accident. So let's get on with it. Okay then, so how's this done? Well, actually it's very simple, and I found it by accident. In reality, both of these bulbs are being turned on at the same time, and both of the bulbs are being turned off at the same time. The difference is this one is an LED. And you have to choose exactly the right one. So I'll put the thing in the description. So an LED will turn on immediately and will turn off immediately. It's very digital, so on, off, on, off. Whereas a tungsten bulb takes a little bit of time to get up to the full brightness and then takes a little bit of time to glow back down again. So they're very analog. So if I cancel that one, you can see it's just a normal tungsten bulb. But actually what's happening is that the LED comes on first, followed by the tungsten light, and the LED goes out first, followed by the tungsten light. So it has this impression of starting off and then going to the edge. And it's very effective, especially at night. It works really well at night, not so well during the day. But that is a fantastic illusion. So yeah, we've got to choose the right LED, and I'm going to show you how to fit these because it's not straightforward. Yep, I was going to change both of them, but I thought I'd just see how bright these LEDs are, and then I thought, actually that looks like it's starting off in the middle and going towards the edge. And it is. Right, let's get on with it. Right, let's start from the start. I've put the tungsten bulb back in and learnt myself a valuable lesson, and that is those LEDs get blimmin' hot, and they have to because they're error-free LEDs. And they have to take as much current as a tungsten bulb does. 21 watts, so they're going to get blooming hot. Okay, so this is where we start. It's got a little doother just here. Lift it up, pull it back, out comes the old tungsten bulb. There we go, just pull him out. They just wiggle in and out. When you put the LED bulb on, make absolutely sure it does fit in properly, because I noticed that one of them was a bit loose and that had to be wiggled in and wiggled in. Once you're all wiggled in, make sure it's not going to immediately fall back out again, but he's nicely fitted in there now. Now, of course, the tungsten bulb's a lot longer. It doesn't matter because there's a lot of room in the housing. So in this case, we just have to wiggle it back with our fingers. You're not going to see much, to be honest. Yeah, that is a bit fiddly, I must admit. He's in, thank goodness for that. And get him lined up, have the tag forward and up, push it down, and that's it, locked in. Right, well there's no need to get in the car to check the lights as long as you've got the key with you. Lock the car, that's working. Unlock, that's working. Yes, I found this optical illusion while doing the video regarding coding of the car using Carly to get things like welcome lights working, and I do like those, and that'll be in the next episode. Yeah, you can code the car so that the rear indicators come on, but not flashing, they just come on steadily. And when you've got LEDs in them, blimey, they give out a lot of light, and the number plate light on as well. Yeah, it does throw some light around it. And of course you can get the halos to come on, and the wing mirrors to fold, and all other exciting things like that, which I'll cover in the next episode. But put the thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Yeah, keep commenting, I love the comments, and I'll see you next time.